Welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Meet the Elite 100 Mini, our compact 1 kWh portable power station. It delivers the same capacity in a smaller footprint, so it fits where others can't. And when it's time to head out, just grab it and go. Here's a closer look at how they compare. Camping, fishing, backyard parties, remote work, outdoor photography. Wherever life takes you, the Elite 100 Mini keeps you powered. Its rugged enclosure is made from UL 94V0 flame-retardant materials for enhanced safety. Inside the box, you've got everything to get started. Want to charge with solar? Just add the optional solar charging cable. You can also pick up the carrying bag to keep everything organized on the go. With 9 versatile ports and 700 watts of rated AC output, you can run your laptop and phone all at once. 4 higher power appliances like electric kettles simply enable powerlifting mode to unlock up to 1400 watts of power. At home, on the road, or off the grid, recharge your way and keep moving. And thanks to its long-lasting battery, it retains over 80% of its original capacity after 6,000 charge cycles. If the grid goes down, the Elite 100 Mini takes over in 10 milliseconds. Your router stays online. Your fish stay happy. Life goes on. Whether you're camping or preparing for emergencies, the built-in LED is always ready with multiple lighting modes. Everything is just a tap away with the BLUETTI app. Monitor your power, adjust settings, and stay in control wherever you are. This is the Elite 100 Mini. Stand small, last long. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.